Oh, I'm done.
Alright, so we are at the graveyard of drift vehicles. We got a broken 240 that is not the same color. Isn't that right, Aaron?
Yep.
We have a broken 740. We have a broken E30. Another 740 shell for the diesel. There's three more Volvos. The diesel build, and then the daily, and Lewis's 535. So we're in good company, but it seems like there's a common theme of cars not running around here.
Yeah, no doubt.
No doubt. Lewis's Volvo has been sitting since H2O. Needs a lot of things done to it, but so do I, or so does mine. But as you can see, the new wheels are on, and of course they do not fit up front, so I gotta space that out some more. Yeah, there's still an LS in there. Need to paint the hood at some point. But yeah, so next couple videos gonna be pulling the motor up a little bit, putting on the header, and then what do we got going on today?
Try to fix my fender.
Try and fix the fender. I'm gonna do some welding. So went to Harbor Freight, got some new stuff. We got a TIG gun, foot pedal, and the Vulcan Omni Pro 220, and then a power brake bleeder for the E30, so can finally have brake pedal. Yeah, so let's do some fucking welding.
It's taller than I expected.
Yeah, here, hold this.
Hold it, Lewis. It's not very cool or handsome.
Yo, leave my gang affiliation out of this. I love you more. Are you gonna eat my ass later?
Maybe. If you're nice.
Yeah, so that's a welder.
TIG welders.
Let's combine some metal. Yeah, where you been?
Where have you been?
Making a YouTube video and doing some welding.
It's cool if I hit your 240, right?
I mean, it's a 240. It's meant to get hit.
It's really just whatever at this point. Yo, I don't think you're going anywhere. I think it's stuck. Some traffic comes behind you. Alright, you can stop now. Get off. Get off. Just get off. How? You don't fall over. No. Just remove yourself from the light.
Hey, Lewis, you want to say hi to the people?
Hello, people.
Is your 740 done yet?
Will it ever be done? What he said. I don't know, but I got ice cream. Yo, so they cut down all between the power lines. Already? Yeah. That is miserable. It's a lot. Yeah.
So you're getting a new transmission?
I already have one.
Why isn't it in there?
Why don't you have money?
Yeah. Because
Yeah.
strippers. So I got Aaron and Lewis. Lewis is just being a hater, but Aaron and I are gonna set up the coil packs remotely today. Do some. Yeah, but we're arguing. So you're being a hater because.
Don't be such a hater.
I'm just, my hand is on clutch pedal and you tell me everything.
There is no clutch. Yeah, there is, but there's nothing on it.
Yeah, there's nothing on it, but I'm still touching and talking about that.
Well, I touched your mom.
Fair enough.
Yeah, so that's an LS, and doing some remote coil packs in the graveyard. Isn't that right? I'm not sure about that, but yeah, most likely. There's no spark plug.
Yeah, no.
You want me to get some?
Nope.
want a Sharpie?
So there's only one actual wire through these.
Yeah.
So once we cut it, we'll be able to see that. Oh, you got some nice wire here.
It's eBay.
So you see you got your regular wire, and then you got a little bit of fabric, and then some more rubber inside, and then you actually have your actual
Wire.
diode, or whatever you want to call it, in there. So you want to take off about 1/4 to 1/2 inch
Like strip it.
of all that surrounding
Yeah.
wire. Yeah, so you want to strip it. You want to get all that big stuff off. This one has some braided stuff around the actual plug wire itself. So we're going to take the regular wire strippers and use that to strip that.
What do you want?
What?
What do you want?
What do I want?
Yeah. Tell me what you desire in life.
What should I drift this thing?
Seems legit.
2 hours later.
Let's go! Alright guys, so we're in a new shop and it's hot as balls. AC's not on right now, but moving in, pretty satisfied. Still got a lot of work to do, a lot of stuff to move. The E30 is still at Lewis's. Ignition wires almost done. So yeah, hopefully we'll be in a new shop with some lighting and away from the sun. So yeah, look forward to this. Peace.